Ever felt that first throat tickle or sudden chills and panicked about stopping it fast? Mamma mia, I know that fear. Today, Nonna shares old world secrets to fight infections naturally, just like our ancestors did. Pay close attention. This could save you next time sickness strikes. Ciao, belly! I'm Nonna Tina from Italy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share natural home remedies passed down through generations. Stick with me if you want to heal the body the old-fashioned way. Now, miei cari amici, the first thing you must do is figure out, is it a virus or is it bacteria? You should know that viruses spread through the whole body and make you achy and tired. And bacteria? Bacteria, they like to stay in one spot. Sore throat, tummy, or maybe even your pee-pee path. Now let me ask you this. Are you feeling achy all over like a worn-out donkey? Dry cough, mild fever, see? That's your body telling you viral infection. Or is the pain sharp in one spot, maybe your throat, ear, or other places? Burning fever, disgusting yellow mucus? Madonna Santa, that's bacterial for sure. And did you know? Ignoring early signs, eating the wrong foods, or sleeping poorly can make infections linger longer than they should. This is why you need to act smart and fast, and Nonna Tina is here to show you how. For viral bugs, like colds and flu, grab some elderberry syrup or olive leaf extract. For bacterial infections, think strep throat or UTIs, you'll want fresh garlic, oregano oil, and echinacea. Also, when you feel a cold coming, make sure to take a hot bath, bundle up, and sweat those germs out. Don't skip rest. Deep sleep is nature's perfect immune booster. It's your body's healing time. Supercharge your immunity. Get plenty of zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D, your body's natural defense team. Give fasting a try. Just 24 to 48 hours wakes up your body's healing power. Also, never skip sunlight. It gives you vitamin D from UVB rays plus healing infrared to reduce inflammation. Here's how to fight infections the natural way. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this remedy as much as I love sharing it with you. If this video helped you, fammi un favore. Smash that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell so you never miss Nonna's healing secrets. Before you go, please write in the comments, what remedies do you need from Nonna Tina next? Stay well, ciao!